saving for a 2 blind box pack, which cost 50/50, so that's 100. And every day I will pick this thing, envelope stuff, and yeah. So yesterday I picked 3K. So now I only have 3 bills left. So I will, and plus this is another next day, same like the other videos that I previously informed. So I'm gonna reshuffle. I will pick
Jonah ba? Jonah Ansero,
this.
yung
What's this?
yung babae nila
20! That's
kaibigan.
good.
Oh, pero hindi
So
pa siya for good.
I got
Balak pa
20,
niyang bumalik.
which is good because
Tapos,
like 20
kasi-
KD plus 1 is
Tapos ang
21 KD. So it is good that I got 20 KD because yeah, 3 plus 20 is something. 21 KD. So I will put the 20 KD. So I know I have a $12 bill left.
Tapos yun.
This $12 bill. So 13 plus 5. Let's see. So it's 24
Grabe sa
if
Alexis,
I add
naglalaki
5 more pieces. So yeah, that's 13 plus 5. Yeah.
No,
I don't know.
30 plus 5.
So I will add one more 5 KD, so I will become 24 because I want it to be 24 so that I will not have to add another more money.
Grabe yung...
Here it is. And I will see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna pre-record it again, so yeah.